Guys, sometimes this is really embarrassing, but the R8 has like some battery things going on and it just takes a while to start. So listen to this. That's a little bit too long. And now he's got to move that stupid car.
What did you say?
So I got to move this stupid car.
What?
Sport mode in the driveway. It's the only way. All right. That should work for now. I never get tired of that car. What's up, baby? You're gonna oh so carefully guide him out. Oh my God. You're good. What's up with the RS5? Get the ramps. The other one. Oh my gosh, that car is so pretty. The ramps, the ramps. All right, guys, we're actually leaving the R8. We're gonna hop in with Randy. Show you guys what it's like to be in a gated manual Ferrari. This thing is so sick.
Where's Pam at?
I know, right, Ribbon? Pam is our neighbor who doesn't very much like any of our cars because of the noises they make. And she stopped us in the road a few times just to tell us that. Check this out. On the interior of the car, they are showing off all the championship wins that Ferrari has had in Formula 1. I love all the carbon fiber, and the air vents even let you know you're in a Ferrari with a prancing horse on each one. This gated manual shifter is so rare, making this a very pricey Ferrari. $4.30 at the car wash. It's not dirty as much as it is just dusty from just sitting in the garage. But it does need a good rinse. All right, guys, the 430 is nice and clean. Randy's backing it out. We're gonna go grab the R8 because I need to wash it because I'm flying out of state today, and I'm not putting it away dirty. It's just, that's not the move, you know? I can't get over how pretty this thing is, seriously. That's a car right there. Oh, we stalled it! We got you on video! Now these things have a really heavy clutch, so I don't blame him for stalling. Let's go hop in. Holy cow, this thing sounds so good.